Good morning, everybody. It's time for our math lesson. Today's learning target: I can learn new vocabulary words more and less. Sometimes in math, you will be asked to find out which set of objects has more and which set of objects has less. So let's take a look at the words more and less. More means that there are greater numbers of objects in a set, and less means there are fewer numbers of objects in a set. So let's make sense of those words. When we see greater, that means they're bigger. So the number is going to be bigger. Fewer means smaller. So the number of objects will be smaller. A set is just a group of objects. So let's do something that will make this make more sense. Let's compare two sets of objects and find out which set has more and which set has less. If Miss Sheila makes two sets of markers, this is one set and this is one set. Which set has more markers? Well, how do we find out? We're going to count our objects, just like we did in addition. To find out which set has more or less, we're going to find out how many objects are in the set. We're going to count. This set has 1, 2, 3 markers. This set has 1, 2 markers. Which number is greater or bigger, 3 or 2? 3 is a greater number than 2. So 3 objects are more than 2 objects. This set has 3. This set has 2. Which set has more? This set has more because there are 3 markers. 1, 2, 3. This set has less because there are 2 markers. 1, 2. It's not easy to understand this, so we're going to practice a couple of other sets. Let's take a look over here. This is 2 sets of circles. Let's find out which set has more circles by counting them. 1, 2, 3 in the set of green circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which set has more circles? This set has more. 5 circles is a greater number of circles than 3 circles. So 5 circles is more than 3 circles. Let's take a look again at our vocabulary. We're learning about more and less. More means the set has a greater number of objects. Less, the set has a fewer number of objects. So if we want to get even further into our vocabulary, the greater set has a bigger number, the fewer set has a smaller number, and a set is a group of objects. So let's take another look at a set. This time, Miss Sheila has 2 sets of markers. We're going to look at our markers and find out which set has more markers. How are we going to find that out? We're going to count the objects in the set. 1, 2, 3, 4. This set has 4 markers. 1, 2. This set has 2 markers. Which set has more markers in it? Well, 4 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 2. This set has more markers. 4 is greater than 2. This is a set of 4 markers. This is a set of 2 markers. 4 markers is a set that is greater than a set of 2 markers. So the set of 4 markers has more. All right, everybody, we'll keep practicing. You guys have a great day.